DLS 2023 All Legendary Goalkeepers. Samir Handanovic 80 rating Slovenian goalkeeper club Inter. Hugo Lloris 80 rating French goalkeeper club Tottenham Hotspur. Keylor Navas 80 rating Costa Rican goalkeeper club PSG. Mike Maignan 81 rating French goalkeeper club AC Milan. Gianluigi Donnarumma Italian goalkeeper 81 rating club PSG. Marc-Andre ter Stegen 82 rating German goalkeeper club FC Barcelona. Edouard Mendy 82 rating Senegalese goalkeeper club Chelsea. Jan Oblak 82 rating Slovenian goalkeeper club Atletico Madrid. David De Gea 82 rating Spanish goalkeeper club Manchester United. Ederson Moraes 83 rating Brazilian goalkeeper club Manchester City. Thibaut Courtois 84 rating Belgian goalkeeper club Real Madrid. And Alisson Becker 85 rating Brazilian goalkeeper club Liverpool.